When a ticket is chosen to be deleted in OneDesk, it is first removed from your view, archived, and then scheduled for deletion in 7 days. After 7 days have elapsed, the ticket is permanently removed from OneDesk. Anytime within this period, you can restore the ticket that was scheduled for deletion back to its former status without losing any information. To schedule a ticket for deletion, first navigate to the Tickets application in OneDesk. Next, select the ticket that you wish to delete. On the left-hand side, select the 3 dots in the Actions column, and from here, you can choose to delete the ticket. Once you have selected the option to delete your ticket, you will be prompted to confirm that you wish to schedule the ticket for deletion. If you select Schedule for Deletion, the ticket will be moved out of your view and deleted after 7 days have passed. Once you have scheduled a ticket for deletion, the ticket is removed from view and archived in an archival project in OneDesk. If you wish to undo the deletion, you need to turn on the ability to see these archived projects. To see the project in which your ticket has been archived, first navigate to the Projects application on the left-hand side of the OneDesk interface. Next, in the top right corner, select the Action menu and check both boxes, Show All Projects and Show Archived Projects. You will now see a project titled Archived Items, and it will show the current year. Heading back to the Tickets application, the archived project is now visible with our ticket that is scheduled to be deleted inside. If we want to restore this ticket, first select the ticket inside the archived project. Next, select the 3 dots in the Actions column and select Restore. Selecting this option will unarchive the ticket and unschedule it from deletion. In addition, OneDesk will attempt to place the ticket back in any projects and folders that it belonged to prior to being scheduled for deletion. If the folder has been deleted, the ticket will be placed at the end of the project. If the project has been deleted, then the restored ticket will default to the Outside of Projects section in the Tickets application. You can restore a ticket that is scheduled for deletion at any point before the 7 days inside the archived project are up. Please note that once a ticket has been scheduled for deletion and more than 7 days have passed, the ticket is now permanently deleted in OneDesk and its information cannot be retrieved. Now you know how to schedule a ticket for deletion in OneDesk and how to recover it if need be. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to OneDesk through the live chat or by emailing hello@onedesk.com.